Welcome to 4319 Mar Avenue, an iconic 1929 Tudor, masterfully blending timeless architecture with elevated modern living in the heart of Point Loma Heights. From the moment you arrive, the handcrafted Cotswold roofline and curated landscaping set a tone of understated elegance and distinction, and a quiet reminder that fairy tales really do come true. Inside, soaring vaulted ceilings with exposed, rough-hewn beams create a dramatic yet inviting living experience, complemented by rich hardwood floors, a statement fireplace, and a fully remodeled interior with refined high-end finishes throughout. The kitchen is beautifully designed for both daily living and elevated entertaining, featuring premium appliances including a Miele built-in coffee center, Miele steam oven, and seamless access through French doors that open directly to the patio for effortless indoor-outdoor flow. The primary suite is a true retreat, highlighted by a spa-inspired bath featuring a BainUltra thermomasseur soaking tub, an exceptional level of luxury designed to deliver a full-body hydrothermal massage experience, bringing resort-style wellness into your everyday life. 5 sets of French doors throughout the home blur the line between indoors and out, filling each space with natural light and soft coastal breezes. The outdoor experience is nothing short of resort caliber, featuring custom brickwork, a recently refinished lap pool, a 9-person in-ground spa, and a built-in BBQ designed for unforgettable entertaining. The detached guest house offers a private, self-contained retreat with bay views, a full living space, kitchenette, bath, and an upstairs bedroom, ideal for guests, extended stays, or a sophisticated work-from-home environment. This is one of those homes you don't just see, you feel. And yes, fairy tales really do come true.